What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl NBD. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If it's your first time on my channel, I do hope that you like this type of content and subscribe and become part of my family. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking on my video. Without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. So we have another unboxing. I would just like to give a huge shout out to Shuki.co for sponsoring yet another video. So Shuki.co is a Chinese-based company. They sell replica designer shoes and they sell replica branded shoes. So what I mean by replica branded shoes is your Nike, your Adidas, you know the works. I've worked with them a couple of times, and yeah, they just love my content. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So this is a Nike Dunk Low, women's Dunk Low. Yeah, this is a Nike women's Dunk Low. So it comes in the packaging, and this is a size 5. It says here UK size 5, as you guys can see. These are so cute. I really like them. The box, it just has wrapping paper, and then when you open it, you get straight to the shoe. So these shoes, like I said, they're really so cute. I love them. I've never really been a fan of the Nike Dunk Lows, but I really like them. And you know me, I love black and white. I just had to get this. So this is how they look inside. The quality is amazing, guys. For a replica, the quality is so amazing. Yeah, this is how they look. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys. You can get $15 off by using my discount Rumbi for any purchase. So it's $15 off on any purchase, okay, if you use my discount code. So please do check them. I'm gonna leave their website and all the details in the description box, and the link to the shoe and the discount code in the description box. But yeah, guys, this is how the shoe looks like. Love it. Love the quality. It's really, I'm not a sneaker person. Like, I love sneakers, right? But I don't really know much about, quality and stuff. But all I can just say is this is really really good quality according to my knowledge. Yeah, this is stunning, right? So cute. So if you're interested in getting yourself replica, good quality and affordable sneakers or designer shoes, please do check out Shuki.co, and yeah, just spend your money, girl. You only have one life, okay? So yeah, guys, these are the shoes. I love them so much. I can't wait to rock them and just style them, and just see how I'm gonna look in these. I think I'm gonna wear them with long pants, and then you can just see a glimpse of the shoes. But anyway, these are the shoes, guys. Love them. Thank you so much to Shuki.co for gifting me with this super cute shoes. I really love them, and thank you guys for watching my video. If you're interested in any of these, please do check out my description box. Everything is down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next one.